Hi everyone, welcome to our feature activity live guidance. And today we are excited to introduce new campaigns from our ecosystem partners and guide you on how to unlock the rewards. And let's welcome our guests today. And first we have Cici, head of BDS for Mimi. Hi Cici.
Hi Tiana. Hi everyone. This is CC from Forming.
Thank you for joining us today. And second we have Yulia, CEO and co-founder at Super Protocol. Hi Yulia.
Hi everyone.
Great to
Super
have
was
you.
selected into MVB 9 Most Valuable Builder program. So I'm happy to be here and share more details about our project and of course the current campaign with the reward pool of 30K USDT and more. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. And next we have Ra, BD at AIVO. Hi Ra.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, whatever your time zone is. Hello, everyone. I'll be presenting the AI book.
Thank you for joining us. And last, we have Chesia, Product Director at My Network. Hi, Chesia.
Hi, Diana. This is Chesia here, and excited to share more about our campaign details from My Network. Thank you.
Thank you. And today, each project will introduce their campaign and assure us how you can participate and earn reward from their event. And let's get started with Cici from For Mimi.
Yep, sure. Hi everyone. This is CC, head of BD from Forming, and thank you so much for your attention to the campaign guidance today. So we have the USD1 Momentum's BNB Chain liquidity drive that we're joining hand with PancakeSwap, Buildon, and World Library Financials. So the programs last for 4 weeks, mainly to drive the USD1 adoption and liquidity on the BNB chain. And the initiative that we aim is to increase the USD1 trading volume, total trading volumes, and also to enhance the swap liquidities and positioning USD1 within the meme ecosystems as one of the leading stablecoin within the DeFi and BNB chain ecosystem. So in terms of the organizers and the Justice Committee, we have the campaign hosted and sponsored by World Library Fi, Buildon, PancakeSwap, and Forming. And we have the support from BNB Chain, Forming, Asters, and listed out at the same time. The campaign will be lasting for 4 weeks, mainly about beginning for the users liquidity adding, trading, and competing within the trading competitions. So in terms of product categories and who will be the joiner for this campaign, we have 2 winners to be selected. One of each will be of the following categories. So in terms of first, the new meme products on Forming, you must qualify to be launching products on Forming after the campaign begins. And you must create the USD1 pair with PancakeSwap v3. And the second sector that we are rewarding for this program is for the existing BSC products. So this one is not really exclusive only on Forming, but also open for any other BSC product out there as well. So this one, you need to qualify for to add it with liquidity for PancakeSwap v3 of USD1 pair. And we have a couple of other centuries as well in terms of, like reward for the user for the winning products. So mainly it will be having exposure for export from BNB Chain, from World Library Fi, from PancakeSwap, from Buildon, and from Forming X account as well. And also we have the allocation worth of 800K of US dollar token purchase from Buildon Foundation. And another is 200K of US dollar in USD1 incentive that World Library Fi will be allocated to USD1 rewards within adding liquidity to PancakeSwap. You can find more information through the Dappbay link that we'll be sharing in the comment section as well. So I hope to, we're looking forward to receive more launches, more alpha from these programs. And should you have any question regarding, how to launch and what are the other initiative support that you will be receiving, feel free to connect with us on X or on Telegram. We're happy to solve any question that you may have.
Thanks for sharing, CC. Yeah, it's an amazing campaign. I got some questions for you because this campaign is all surrounding USD1. So I'm quite curious why is the focus on USD1?
Wow. Okay, very good question. So actually, USD 1 million drive is one of our biggest initiative to date, and it actually also reflects how we are evolving from this a launchpad into a meme infrastructure layer. So the campaign is the collaboration between Meme, BNB Chain, PancakeSwap, well librarified and built on BSC, and we designed and aimed this program to bring real and lasting liquidity to the meme coin space. And at the core of its USD1 or meme token standard that we introduced is simplified value perception for the users. So USD1 we consider it as the trusted stablecoin that behave like a one in the structure of one token equal to $1 in the meta framing. So it makes it easier for creators and for the users like to think about the pricing, the buying power, and also the meme economics in the more intuitive way. So through the campaign itself, every meme coin launched on farming get paired with USD1 into the ultra low 0.01 fee pool with PancakeSwap V3. And this ensure the deep efficiency liquidity right from the start. And once the bonding curve fills, the base token will be used to buy back and burn the launches meme token, right? So this actually create the pressure for inflation, deflationaries, and also increasing the values of the tokens. And the campaign has 1 million liquidity walls, so to be allocated to across eligible USD1 pair meme tokens that hit the key milestone. So in terms to answer it shortly, the campaign is not just about volume, but also about the structure and how we amplify to support product at the early stage as well. So meme coins are often dismissed at the short terms, right? So we want to have this initiative to prove that with the right framing and liquidity adding, liquidity supporting, there can be engineering for sustainability and align with the growth for long term.
Yeah, amazing. And I believe till now that a lot of new assets have launched on for Mimi. And I'd like to learn more that how are you supporting your projects that beyond the launch?
Yeah, so actually the supporting products has been one of the major focus for Launchpad itself, because the biggest issues in meme culture is what happened after the hype. So traditionally, most meme token launches die out in 24 or 48 hours. So we built the meme not just a launchpad, but also an infrastructure that have these tokens survive and scale. So what we offer is for advanced dashboard listing for products that hit key milestone, like the 1 million market cap for substrain or while performing sustainable trading volumes. We're also having a dashboard that highlighting the top performing products that you can visit at for.meme/ranking. And the second one that we're offering is the co-marketing support, including AMAs, social medias, and offline co-marketing campaigns. So, and at the same time, we have weekly AMA with BSC meme products. Do tune in as well when you have times to learn more about the meme product within Launch It on our platform. And the third one that we're helping with product is liquidity programs, like the USD1 campaign and the up-top matching programs. So it is to keep trading deep and healthy within the meme ecosystem. And the last but not least, we're building tools like creator dashboard, community metrics, and user milestone reports. It is to have founders actually manage the post-launch roadmap, not just tweet through volatility. And the end goal is to turn meme moments into the meme movement, and it gives the founder real tools to keep building.
Thanks for sharing. It's quite comprehensive to help the asset from 0 to 1. And
Yep,
I think that's all the question from me. And any updates or that's what we want to share with our audience and community?
Yeah, for sure. So we've been rolling out update rapidly across multiple layers of the platform itself. So we have the new campaign hub, so users can see ongoing initiatives like the USD and Drive in one place, with flight data on liquidity, with buybacks, and with the token momentums. And in the coming time, that campaign hub will be also a place that we put the exciting campaign training competitions. So do visit our website and visit the campaign section. We also build up the USD1 token hub as well that we create for dedicated space for everything related to USD1 pair tokens. You can discover, you can mint, you can create, you can trade, and you can monitor performance very easily. And we also does innovate with the advanced paid upgrades. So the graduate tokens that maintain strong momentum post-launch are now spotlighted with clearer analytics, with the price charts and with social interaction within it. And we also have the localized rollout as well. We started regional campaign with high-growth markets like Vietnam, Korea, and Turkey that brings local meme coin communities onto the platform through regional partnerships with the language-specific onboarding and events. And last but not least, we have the creator tools that we are still in beta testing right now with the new dashboards for creators, so that they can track holders, volumes, and community activity with the real time without having to leave the platform. So all of these updates serve the same goal to make meme launches smoother and more transparent and more scalable, and to give both creators and users the confidence to participate meaningfully. So I hope that the users, the community can visit our website for more information at 4.me.
Thank you, Cici, and everyone to follow 4Minute and Egg for latest update. And thank you again for joining us today.
Yep, thank you so much for having us today.
And next, let's welcome Yulia from Super Protocol. Hi, Yulia.
Right. Hi, everyone again. Tanya, may you please remove this picture yet? I will put it on further. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, hi, everyone again. Before diving into the campaign, let me first explain why it matters. Prior to Super, I spent 18 years at Intel, helping to bring deep tech into the real world. And here's what became clear over time. We ask people to trust technology more and more with their data, their decisions, even their lives. But if we want people to trust technology, we have to stop asking for blind trust. We need to make everything verifiable. And that's exactly why we're building Super, a confidential AI cloud and marketplace where everything is verifiable by design. So let me unpack that. Super enables anyone to run AI models, collaborate, and even monetize, all without giving up control over their data or intellectual property. Everything runs in confidential mode, meaning your data stays protected even during execution. So no one, not the compute provider, not even us, can see what's inside. And under the hood, trusted execution environments, or TEs, with super protocols, open source solutions, guarantees privacy without sacrificing performance. And here's the important part. It's not just about confidentiality. It's about verifiability. With Super, every job generates immutable proofs, published on chain. And crucially, it's automatic. No human intervention. The whole system, the entire stack is managed by smart contracts on BNB Chain. And if a single check in the whole process fails, the task does not even start. No leaks, no exceptions. That's the foundation of Super. Trust less, verify more. Trust less, verify more. And guess what? NVIDIA recognized us, publishing a research about Super right on their website. Tanya, may you please put on stage? Just to show you. Rob, Senior Software Architect for Confidential Computing. Yeah, and we are one of the very few confidential computing adopters that they feature on NVIDIA.com. That's thanks to our verifiable confidential AI approach. Thank you. You may remove it. And we have already put our vision to work. Just last week at the AI Engineer World's Fair, Super presented alongside AI labs like Google and OpenAI, showcasing real demos, real project results, and full verifiability. And if there is one area where all that matters most, it's healthcare. Confidentiality protects data, but verifiability proves that the data was used correctly. And when lives are at stake, proof especially matters. You can't just assume. You need to know. We partnered with medical AI company Titonics, who built an AI agent to automate the FDA audit process. What typically took 50 days, almost 2 months, now takes less than 2 hours, fully confidential and fully verifiable. And now we need your help to power the next wave of innovation. Together with Titonics, we've launched the Data for AI Hunt, a data crowdsourcing campaign. The goal is to collect public medical data from the official FDA databases, which are massive and complex, and reward contributors along the way. And by contributing, you're not just earning rewards, you are creating a future where healthcare innovation saves lives. Tanya, may you please put on stage the foil? Thank you. So here's how it works. Visit the campaign website, dataforai.superprotocol.com. Submit up to 30 days, submit up to 30 FDA links daily and earn rewards. Every valid link gives you points. Submit all 30 valid links within a day and you get a bonus strike, just like in bowling. Invite friends and you will earn from their valid submissions too. And here's the catch. The point value of each submission increases by 4% every day. So even if you join later, you still have a real chance to win. Your new submissions are actually worth more than those submitted earlier. Let me give you an example of this. Let's say a link submitted on day 1 is worth 100K. If you submit that same type of valid link on day 14, it could be worth 168K points. And this daily increase also applies to your referral bonuses. So the longer you and your network participate consistently with valid links, the faster everyone's points accumulate. Your contributions are fully verifiable, just like the data that you submit. And that's what Web3 was meant to enable: shared value, real-world impact, and the future we built together. And at the end of the campaign, the top 1,000 contributors will share the reward pool, including but not limited to 30K USDT. Let me run a quick video. Tanya, may you please?
Unique chance to win a share of $30,000 in USDT plus super stakes. Ready to hunt? To win the race, find public medical data from the databases we provide. Each link gives you points and moves you up the leaderboard. Let's start with 510K per market notifications. This is the official FDA site where companies submit info about devices they want to bring to market. We're looking for devices that have an active summary link. Apply the panel filter. Choose any category. Hit search. Browse results. On the first few pages, you might find cards without a summary link. Skip those. Try pages 10 or later for better chances. Once you find a device with a summary link, right-click it and select Copy Link Address. Paste the link into our submission form. Now, head over to the second database. This is the official FDA site, where each record is like a passport for a device, showing who makes it, how it's labeled, and its unique ID. Click Search In and scroll all the way down to choose device class. Pick any class and hit Search. Open any result. On the right-hand side, you see the XML button. Right-click the XML link and copy link address. Paste it into the submission form on our website. Valid links means more points. That's it. Drop your links, climb the leaderboard, and help train next-gen medical AI.
Right, Tanya, and may you please share my screen again? Right, thank you. So to sum up, to join, go to our website, dataforai.superprotocol.com, connect your wallet, submit your first links, and use your referral link to invite others. And let's reshape healthcare with trustless, verifiable AI together. Happy to answer any questions.
Thank you, Yulia, for amazing sharing. Yeah, I do got some questions for you. First one is, what is the main objective behind your Data for AI Hunt campaign?
Yeah, right. Well, we launched the Data for AI Hunt to show something simple but powerful. AI economy built on confidential and verifiable Web3 rails is not just a vision, it's already live. We're collecting public but hard to find medical data sets, recording every submission on chain, and putting them to work in real AI workflows. This campaign is the full run of the Super Protocol loop. Verifiable data sourcing, confidential model training, and real benefits with full verifiability and no data exposure. That's how a fair and inclusive AI economy begins, when data, models, and infrastructure collaborate securely and openly. Model providers deliver better results, clients go to the market faster, and people get better care. No data exposure, full verifiability, and real-world impact. So yeah, that's the main objective of the campaign.
Yeah, it's interesting. And users submit their data, and after the hunt ends, how you deal with the data you collected from the user? Is it just a one-time campaign or part of something ongoing?
Right. So what actually happens with the data, I assume, right? Well, the hunt is just the beginning of this loop. Every data set stays transparently recorded on chain with full credit to contributors. Titonics, our campaign partner, will use these data sets to train and run their AI model directly on Super Protocol, ensuring confidentiality while helping speed the FDA audit. And this kind of efficiency means faster approvals and faster access to care for patients. So the hunt is how we take the first step towards a real AI economy, one that is verifiable, confidential, and open for all. And we want you all to be part of it. So please do join us on this journey. Thank you.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, I also heard that it's just yesterday, day one of your campaign data is quite impressive. So everyone do join the event and follow Super Protocol on X for latest update. And thank you, Yulia, for joining us today. And any closing word want to share with our audience?
Just enjoy and be part of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yulia. And now let's move to Ra from AI Bio. Hi, Ra. Hi, I think you're muted.
Hello
Yep.
there. Yes, I'm all here. If I'm all audible and clear, please just tell me out so that I can just start.
Yes, all clear. Thank you.
Okay, cool. And I have another question before we just start. How can I just share my screen? I have like 2 to 3 things to just be shared and just be seen. How can I just do that?
Yeah, you can click the present in the middle, then you can share.
Okay, let's just start, and then we can just get to the the rest of that. So first of all, guys, I'm Ra. I'm the BD and kind of like the marketing team on the ARVille. So I'll just really excited to be here with BNB Chain and Dappbay. So it's actually an amazing campaign. And we'll be giving away like $35,000 in AGT and dinar coin, and then joining. So will be just really simple in 3 to 4 steps. That would be really simple. So first of all, you can actually open up your Binance wallets and go to Discovery tab, and then find and open the AI Vault app, and then complete tasks to just earn 100 plus AI Vault dinar coins. That's so simple. And then that will be done. You'll be added to the prize pool, and then the more dinar coins you just collect, the larger your share will be. And then you can actually dive into the AI Vault and the project intro and anything related to that. So first of all, I have to just say that, so first of all, AIville is just not a game, okay? It's actually a living simulation powered by AI agents, which is really new, really novel. And the AI agents that they're having memory, emotions, and intent, and they can actually think for themselves and then reflecting and then reacting to those. And then these agents actually evolve over time. They're trainable. You can talk to them, and then they can be tagging along and walking along together, and that's really fantastic. And they actually build friendship with you. They remember everything you just say, and they're having the memories, and they remember what has happened in the past. And they also take actions based on the context you just give them, and just like the real human beings were having the memory. And then it's actually inspired by Stanford's Smallville project, and we'll be coming to 3 main components, and we'll be bringing 3 items. So first of all, it's the AI autonomy, the NPCs, okay, and the non-playable characters like Logan and Selena can you can actually negotiate with them, bargain with them, manage bars, or build relationships with them. And also we'll be having the second one would be MCP or EMCP protocol, which is going to be enables, cross-chain AI identities that, live across BNB Chain, Ethereum, and, social platforms. And then the last one, the third one, will be the player to AI symbiosis. So we'll be, you train your AI. That's so simple. And then you'll be they actually generate value independently, and they'll be participating in DAOs and, trading NFTs, and then earning you AGT in return. And then also have to add that recently AI will officially join the hashtag #1USD actually ecosystem. #1USD1 ecosystem will be unlocking a more stable and scalable in-game economy. And this enables smoother reward distribution and also a broader stable coin-based gameplay mechanics as a key step toward the deeper DeFi and the AI integration. And the next one, if I just want to get to that, would be a demo of the sneak peek of the project. So I don't know where if I actually can actually sharing that. I don't know which part is that. Can you just help me on this?
Yeah, send me the link. I will play for you.
Okay, just done. Give me 1 second, please. I'll just be sending that. We'll be having like 2 or 3, just simple thing. People can just see that. Okay, here's it. I'll just send that to you. And also we'll be having 2 more screenshots. You can just share them to the group. Yep. You can actually play it later. So first of all, let's actually look at what it's actually looking like to play the AI Vault. So the AI farm, the farm that we'll be having, it's actually the assigning AI agents to plants, crop, harvest, and even they can even gossip. A lot of characters are just like rumbling around the corner. They're just like walking around the town in the village. So first of all, and then after that, we'll be having the agent training. You can actually teach them to trade or to create, and the better they perform, the more AGT you'll be just earning. And then the third one will be dinar coin quests. You have actually, complete the mission, boost your rewards or the task, and the climbing the leaderboard. And boss, you can actually have it and see it. And also, we've been also building fast inside, in AI Bot, so which is the now gateway for daily missions. faster onboarding and richer AI interactions. And also, the coming next, we'll be having, we'll be launching a new series of meme native AI characters. These will be viral, culturally aware, and fully trainable. And they'll be bringing Web3 meme culture and live to inside the AI build. So yeah, that's it. You can actually share the video clip, and I'll just send the link for you.
Yeah, I think we might need, we don't have time to upload it, so I can just share the Dappbay page.
So, do you got any questions for me, or should I just go with mini questions, like it just being the frequently asked questions from the community?
Do you want to go through the Dappbay campaign page, which I share right now, to go through it?
Yeah, we can actually go on that because it's really simple and it's showing the path that they can, connect their wallets and these stuff. We can actually go on that. There would be not that much of introduction to that.
Okay, then all good. Then let's move to Q&A session.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
so I'll just be having 3 of them. If you want, you can actually go on and ask me, dear.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, and I believe AI Bill it's really bring a fresh perspective to on AI gaming, and got some questions for you. First, you just shared a lot about AI Bill, and why to learn more, what exactly are AI agents in AI Bill?
Pardon?
What exactly are AI agents in AI Bill?
So the question is, what are AI agents in AIville? Is that the question? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So first of all, a autonomous AI beings actually with memory. So simple, emotions and learning. I told you, it's truly trainable, reactionable. They think, they create, and then simple. They interact dynamically with the world and the player. So for example, you have a prompt to them, and then they will just respond to that, and then they'll just be retaining on that, and then shaping the game's evolution in real world time. That's it.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. And second question is, how do AI agents differ from traditional NPC we see in games?
So first of all, NPCs, the non-playable characters, they're all scripted. So the codes are just over there, and then they'll just not that trainable. But AIville agents, they think, okay, they perceive. So for example, you just give them something, and then they perceive it, and then they just react to that. Okay, so thinking, feeling, remembering, and then acting independently, fully on that. So with EMCP, they interact with smart contracts and then maintaining on-chain identity across the apps. That's it.
Thanks for the insight. I think that's all for me today. And any final message you want to share with our audience?
Nothing more. Just anything that I just wanted to ask. Share that is that first of all, you'll be having lots of fun and great things out there in AIville. So make sure to just follow us and join the airdrops, join the campaign, joining the events that we're going to have. We'll be having a lot of surprises out there, and do not miss on that, and be counting it in AIville. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Rob, for joining us today. And last, let's welcome Chesia from Mind Network.
Hi, this is Chesia, and let me introduce the Mind Network and also our campaign with BNB Chain with you guys. Let me share the screen. Mind Network is fully encrypted. We use FHE technology for the AI and also for the whole Web3 space for every can get everything encrypted, and everything can process within encrypted data. And for our current campaign with BNB Chain, we actually using the FHE technology to encrypt all of your health data and store your health data with FHE technology, which is like none of your personal details will be revealed on chain, or when institutions like hospitals or like some research labs, when they are processing your health data, they will process through the encrypted data. So this is how we built this campaign with our FHE hub, which is called World AI Health Hub do. And this is what our World AI Health campaign, World AI Health Hub doing. And for this hub, for this campaign, we are distributing the 10 million FHE rewards for all of the participants who engaged with our tasks. And let me show you how to engage with our World AI Health Hub. When you click from the campaign page, it will lead you to our Dappbay page of Agentic World, which is our product. And here you will find where our hub is, which is the World AI Health. And in this hub, we partner with Vana and Zama to enable secure and privacy preserve health data collection using FHE. And for those who haven't, those who just entered our haven't used our agentic world before, so you have to launch your AI agent first through our Dapp. And what is the AI agent on my network? It's a FHE powered AI agents. And when you launch it, it is like you can just imagine like you have a child like as your AI agent. And for the agent launch, you need like at least 10 FHE, which is also under limited time promotion right now. So you only need 10 FHE to launch your AI agent. And let me show the demo. And after you stake your 10 FHE, you have successfully set up your AI agent. And then you can just put your agent into basic hubs for the basic skill training. Just imagine like you set your children go to some school to learn some specific skills. Like I can just try with the FHE consensus hub here. And you can also see the API here. So the FHE is actually staking with your agent, and you can keep earning rewards while you let it play around with different hubs. So now your agent is already training the FCN hub. And here are some other like little information about like what is the basic hub is, and also what is the advanced hub is. Like just like I mentioned previously, the basic hub is like a school where your agent learning some basic skills. And for the advanced hub, it's just like your agent graduated from the basic hub and having some basic skill equipped, and then he can just work in the advanced hub like a worker, and as a worker, so you usually can gain more FHE or gain more like our partner hub tokens from the advanced hub. And here is the whole process of how to launch your agent. And after your agent get launched and training the basic hub, you can now go to the agentic world. And here, you can see some different information about the hubs. Like from the basic hub, there will be like API for each hub, and you can see like you can choose which one you want your agent to learn with, and it has the training lockup, which means like you put your agent in the hub, and it requires minimum of 72 hours to learn the skill from this hub. But even after 72 hours, your agent can still you can still keep your agent in this hub. So no worry about the hub will kick you out or something like that. And here are the 3 basic hubs. And now we move to the advanced hub where the agent works. And here you can see which our campaign is right now happening, the World AI Health. And for you to engage with the World AI Health Hub for the campaign, you need to let your agent to work in this hub. But since I mentioned it, like in the basic hub, you need to be locked for 72 hours for training. So right now I cannot like put my agent directly in this hub for the working. So after 72 hours training in the basic hub, I can click the start working here to put my agent work in the World AI Health Hub to fulfill with the task 1 of the campaign. And the task 2 is where you can have a taste of how to upload your data, health data with FHE. And for the task 2, you can just scroll down in the hub and see here. The first step is to select the symptom that apply to your loss condition. Like for me, I'll say like I might have some digestive system concern. I can just click 5 symptoms that apply to my loss condition. And then you will see here's the user symptom vectors, which means like which includes the information I selected, and you can just simply click encrypt. And here the encrypted ciphertext will appear here after the encryption of this information. But before you upload your health data, you need to finish the task 1 here. So I cannot do like finish this task right now, but you can try it after. So after the encryption, you will see the encrypted data, and next step is to verify your data. And for the verify data session is actually just we will verify the data if it's like qualified or like the quality of it is able to be processed. But we will only verify the encrypted data. And after the verification get done, you will need to you can just send your encrypted data on chain and store in the World AI Health Hub. And the sending will only send your encrypted data. It will not send your previous symptom, like your actual symptom data. And here is just how you can participate in our campaign. And after you done every task, and after you done every task, and also when the campaign period ended, you will get to share in the 10 million FHE prize pool. And for the rewards, you not only share the campaign rewards, you also can have your agents share the normal APY rewards, like here, showing here. And this is how you can participate our World AI Health Hub. And that's pretty much of it.
Thank you, Chesia, for the detailed guideline. Yeah, and also I have some questions for you. First one is that does participant in your campaign require staking any tokens?
Yes, for participants, they only need to stake 10 FHE right now. This is a special promotion for the campaign. Like usually we will require 100 FHE token to be staked to their own agents. But for now, only 10 FHE is needed. And users can unstake or like shut down their agent to get the 10 FHE out anytime they want.
Thanks for answer. And second question is, what are the prerequisites for agents to join advanced hubs?
For the prerequisite for agents joining the advanced hub is just to participate in any of the basic hub on my network and stake it at least like 72 hours. And after that, they can just move their agent to the World AI Health Hub or any other advanced hub to start working and earning.
Thanks for sharing, and then let's wrap up today's session. And any final takeaway and sharing want to let our audience know?
For the final message, I will say like join as early as you can. So the earlier you join, the more rewards you can earn throughout the way.
Thank you, Jessia, and looking forward to more updates from Mind Network. And big thank you to all our speakers and everyone who joined us today. And don't forget to check out the feature campaign and start earning those rewards from our external partner. And see you next time.